Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening WhatsApp and tapping the three-dot menu at the top right, then pick Settings. Once inside Settings, go to Account and then Privacy so you can change visibility controls. You do this now because Status View settings live under Privacy. It's faster than searching later. Make sure your app is updated. If not, update then reopen. This first step establishes where you'll hide the view, so the following steps modify the exact controls that matter. Now tap Status within Privacy and choose between My Contacts Accept, or Only Share With. Those determine who sees your status and who can detect views. Once you pick My Contacts Accept, tap Names to exclude people. This hides your view for them. If you pick Only Share With, select just the people allowed to see your status. Make sure to confirm by tapping Done or the check icon so changes persist. Once done, WhatsApp applies the new visibility. The final step is to turn off read receipts in Privacy to prevent others from seeing that you viewed their status. This stops one-to-one status view receipts. Remember, this also disables read receipts for chats, and group read receipts still show. Make sure to restart WhatsApp after toggling if you don't see the effect right away. If settings revert or fail, check app permissions, update or reinstall the app, and confirm your phone clock is correct. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.